In this guide, I'll show you how to game share on the PS5 Pro. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're signed into your main PSN account where you have all your games, and then we're going to select settings in the top right corner. From here, you want to go to users and accounts, then we're going to scroll down on the left sidebar to other, and we're going to go to console sharing and offline play. So when you turn this feature on, anyone on your PS5 Pro will be able to access any of your games, PlayStation Plus, and more from your main PSN account when you enable it here. But do bear in mind, if you select enable in this section and you get an error, this likely means that your PSN account is already assigned to a PS5, in which case you'd have to go on to that other PS5 and disable console sharing and offline play. So once you have this set up, you should now be able to access your game library on any of the other accounts on your PS5 Pro. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.